everyone, my name is Vinisethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about marginal rate of technical substitution. As we know, in production we use so many input. Sometimes due to cost we need to replace one input for another. And marginal rate of technical substitution measure the rate at which one input can be substituted for another input while maintaining same level of output. Marginal rate of technical substitution measures a rate at which one input can be substituted for another while maintaining same level of output. That means how much one input we can reduce in order to increase other input, but level of output will remain same. And marginal rate of technical substitution of labor for capital means amount of capital that firm reduce for each additional unit of labor without changing total amount of output. And we can calculate marginal rate of technical substitution of labor for capital, delta K over delta L. Delta K means change in capital, delta L means change in labor. For example, we increase 1 unit of labor but reduce 3 unit of capital, it will become equal to 3. That means one labor can work equal to 3 machines, or you can say that one labor can work equal to 3 capitals. Now we'll see table and diagram. Combination labor capital marginal rate of technical substitution of labor for capital equal to delta K over delta L output. Initially we have 1 labor 10 capital, but now we reduce 3 capital but increase 1 labor. That's why change in capital 3, change in labor 1. Now we reduce 2 capital but increase 1 labor. That's why change in capital 2, change in labor 1. Now we reduce 1 capital but increase 1 labor. That's why change in capital is 1 and change in labor also 1. But our output will remain same. Same thing we will plot in this diagram. On x-axis we have labor, on y-axis we have capital. When we plot all these points in this diagram, we will receive one curve. It will be called isoquant. What do you mean by diminishing marginal rate of technical substitution? That means as firm hire more labor and reduce capital, then marginal product of labor start reducing. Here you can see initially labor was efficient equal to 3 machinery means 3 capital, but now labor is equal to 2 machinery 2 capital. Here you can see labor is just equal to 1 machinery. That means as we hire more labor and reduce capital, then marginal product of labor start reducing. It will be called diminishing marginal rate of technical substitution of labor for capital. Now very quickly we will see how to find out marginal product of technical substitution of labor for capital. Sometimes they can ask in exam, this is our given production function and we have to find out marginal rate of technical substitution of labor for capital. Marginal rate of technical substitution of labor for capital is ratio of marginal product of labor to marginal product of capital. In order to find out marginal product of labor, we will do a partial derivation of a production function with respect to labor. And in order to find out marginal product of capital, we will do partial derivation of production function with respect to capital. When we do the partial derivation with respect to labor, this power will come below and reduce by 1 and it will become equal to this. And when we do partial derivation with respect to K, then it will become equal to this. In place of MPL we will put this, and in place of MPK we will put this, and when we solve this it will become equal to this. Power will added, it will become equal to K, and similar it will become equal to L. K over L will be called marginal rate of technical substitution of labor for capital for this production function. Suppose firm currently using 10 labor and 5 capital, then 0.5 will be called value of marginal rate of technical substitution of labor for capital. Now we will see some questions. Marginal rate of technical substitution of labor for capital measures increase in total output when 1 more unit of labor is used. The rate at which a firm can substitute labor for capital while keeping output constant. The amount of capital that must be increased to match the output from an increase in labor. Ratio of marginal product of capital to marginal product of labor. As we already discussed, marginal product of technical substitution of labor for capital is ratio of marginal product of labor to marginal product of capital, not ratio of marginal product of capital to labor. So this option is wrong. This is also wrong and this is also wrong. B is our correct answer, because marginal rate of technical substitution of labor for capital measures the rate at which firm can substitute labor for capital while keeping level of output constant. Next question, what does diminishing marginal rate of technical substitution indicates? Input are perfect substitute for each other? No. Firm uses more and more input, it must use increasingly smaller amount of other input in order to maintain output? No. Marginal product of all input is constant? Absolutely no. This option is right. As firm uses more of one input, it becomes less effective substitution for other input. This option is right. We have already discussed. As firm is increasing labor but reducing capital, then marginal product of labor will reduce, marginal product of labor will decrease. That means labor will become less efficient as compared to earlier. So this option is right. Next question, margin rate of technical substitution graphically represented by slope of iso-cost line? No. Slope of production possibility curve? No. Slope of iso-quant curve? This option is right. We have already discussed. This is our iso-quant curve and these are slope of iso-quant curve, and this part shows change in capital, this part shows change in labor. Similar, this part shows change in capital, this shows change in labor, and margin rate of technical substitution is equal to change in capital over change in labor. So we can say that graphically slope of iso-quant shows margin rate of technical substitution. So this is all about margin rate of technical substitution. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.